In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks Time to your QuickBooks Online account and set up your timesheet preferences to ensure your payroll is smooth and seamless. First, let's open your web browser, and I recommend using Chrome for optimal performance with QuickBooks. Once your browser is open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website and log into your account using your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This section is where you'll find various apps that can enhance the functionality of your QuickBooks Online account. Now, if you haven't already connected QuickBooks Time, simply search for it in the search bar. When you see it listed, click on Get App Now. Follow the on-screen prompts to successfully connect QuickBooks Time with your QuickBooks Online account. Sometimes you'll need to authorize permissions or grant access to certain data, so just follow the instructions carefully. Once the two platforms are connected, your next stop will be the QuickBooks Time website. Head over to your browser's address bar and type in QuickBooks.intuit.com Time. Once you hit enter, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Time using your account credentials. Now that you're on the QuickBooks Time dashboard, look towards the top right corner where you'll see a gear icon. Click on this icon to access the feature add-ons or settings menu. Within this menu, you'll want to select either timesheet preferences or timesheet settings. This is where you can customize the timesheet settings to match the specific needs of your business. There are several options you'll want to consider. For example, decide how you'd like to round time entries, whether it's to the nearest 6, 10, or 15 minutes. This can greatly affect payroll calculations, so choose the one that best fits your company policies. Next, choose the default method for time entry, either manual entry or using a timer. Additionally, configure the approval process by determining if you require a manager's approval for timesheets. Deadlines for submission can also be set up to ensure timely entries. You'll also find options to establish overtime rules and calculations, which are crucial for accurate payroll. Don't forget about notifications. Setting these can help streamline the process by alerting you when timesheets are submitted or approved. After you've made all the necessary adjustments, be sure to save your changes to apply them. Back in your QuickBooks Online account, it's important to ensure that all your timesheet data syncs correctly. To do this, navigate to the payroll section, click on Employees, and then select Time Entries. Here, you can review any imported timesheets to confirm that all data is synced accurately. And that's it! You're all set to manage your time tracking and payroll with ease using QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Online seamlessly together.